In this video shared on Reddit, a man's wife posted the footage and explained that her husband works in the Air Force. She said he recorded the video while walking around an Air Force base. According to her, he was required to patrol the area every day to make sure everything was in order. One night, while making his usual rounds, he heard strange noises. So he started recording. Later, the woman said her husband never heard those sounds again. It's truly a chilling situation. In this footage, captured by a security camera, something appears in the forest across from the house. While it's unclear what exactly it is, the woman living in the house was very disturbed. She said that even spotting a deer in that forest is difficult. So she has no idea how this thing was so visible or what it could be. The footage continues for a while longer and then ends. In the next ghost video, a truck's radio turns on by itself. The people inside the truck couldn't figure out what caused it.
ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਵੇਲਾ ਸੱਜਣਾ ਉਡਿਆਈ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਕਰਮੀ ਆਵੇ ਕਪੜਾ ਨਦਰੀ ਮੋਖ ਦਵਾਰ ਨਾਨਕ ਏ ਵੈ ਜਾਣੀਐ ਸਭ ਆਪੇ ਸੱਜਿਆਰ ਆਪਿਆ ਨਾ ਜਾਏ ਕੀਤਾ ਨਾ ਹੋਏ ਆਪੇ ਆਪ
This is the first time it's been this loud. Yes, twice. This is the third time. The first time it was really quick. The second time this happened, and it sounded like you were streaming, and then it sounded like a ding. So I was like, Bear's streaming or something? And I said, Bear? Bear? Be quiet. No, I'm not hooked up to anything.
Then the sounds slowly started to fade away and eventually disappeared completely.
It sounds like it's coming from a speaker.
It is coming from the speakers.
What speakers?
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes. I just said that we were not bullshitting this shit.
From the truck speakers.
Which makes me think it's not when you know not from us.
It's not from us.
In footage recorded while someone was sleeping at night, we see a man lying still in his bed suddenly begin to rise into the air. It looks as if something invisible is lifting him. Could this be a ghost? In a video recorded at midnight, the person filming says they heard a terrifying sound and wanted to capture it on video. Here is that sound. The person who recorded this video said they captured the sound around 11 p.m. They also mentioned that there are usually animal sounds coming from the forest behind their house, but this sound didn't resemble any of them. That's what makes it so strange and chilling. In the next video, you'll see a ghost door moving on its own. The man recording is so terrified that he's left gasping for breath, but still manages to keep filming. In security camera footage recorded in a garage, a ghost in a white dress appears. When the security staff notice it, they're chilled to the bone and try to figure out where it came from and how it got there. In the next paranormal video, a man is looking into a mirror with his phone when another human head appears behind him. But when he turns around, whatever he saw is gone.
خليك ايش طب خليك دقيقة خليك بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله
The man is shocked and extremely frightened, but he never sees the figure again, as it only appeared in the mirror. But who knows, Awards, if he looks into the mirror again, it might show up once more. A woman who moves into a new house begins to hear strange noises. Before she moved in, the person who sold her the house told her that people had died in a fire there. At first, she didn't think much of it. But later, after experiencing paranormal events in the home, she starts to believe they might be connected.
What are you guys doing down there? I can see your shadows moving. Okay, I gotta go. I'll come visit later. Maybe you want to talk to me then?
In footage taken from a plane, a UFO is seen just below the aircraft. One of the passengers records it on video. At that moment, the passengers panic and become frightened. panic and screams captured in that moment are enough to make this video even more terrifying.